Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're opening up the 2020 J case, which is really exciting. Cannot believe we've got it already. Now, the super treasure hunt in the J case is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento car 10 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Exotics. Very, very nice car. Let me know what you think about this Lamborghini Sesto Elemento super treasure hunt in the comments below. Don't forget, smash that big thumbs up if you enjoy the video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now, I always get my cases from Grana Toys. So if you want to grab your own case or some of your own Hot Wheels, Grana Toys, I'll put a link in the comments below so you can check out their website. Now, this is going to be a pretty spectacular case. I can see some cool cars in here already. Okay, let's get straight into it. First three, BMW Z4 M Motorsports. Very nice car. Not sure how this one's going to perform on the track with that big lip at the front, but it's really cool. Look at the BMW symbol on the side there. Nice, I do like that one. We've got the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. That was from the previous case. And we've got Skate Grom. Yeah. Okay, the next three. Oh, we've got another Sky Dome. Oh, look, the dome is already lifted there in the case. Pretty cool car. We got that in the previous case. The 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Take a look at it. Really nice car. This is going to be excellent on the track. And we've got a Beetle. We've got that 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Very nice. This is more of a super 6-lane raceway car, but it's got that nice detailing on the back there. Pretty cool car. Got High Beam. We've got Rockin' Santa Sled in another case. This is like 3 cases now. That's too many. The Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Very nice car. Very nice color. Twin Mill Gen E. And let's hope we don't have too many, but we have the Batplane. Croc Rod. Croc Rod. Another BMW Z4 Motorsport, very nice. And another Beetle, not so nice. This is what I've been waiting for, this one here. The 57 Plymouth Fury. Take a look at it. Really nice, really fitting for the Hot Wheels Flame series. Those fins are huge on this car. Oh, so cool. It's got the Goodyear on the hood there as well, very nice. And you notice the number 57 for it being a 57 Plymouth Fury. So we also had a Velociter, really cool car. I really like this one. And we've got the 90s Acura NSX. Pretty cool. All right. Yeah, boy. Take a look. Very, very happy. The Bone Shaker Hot Wheels ID chase car. You do not believe how excited I am to actually have gotten this in the case, because it was going to be so expensive to try and buy it on eBay. This is awesome, because I would never find it in store. So, so cool. Smash that big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. But this is definitely awesome. I'm not sure how any other car in this case can compete. Whew, okay, the 8 crates. Got the McLaren P1 is a carryover. Still a nice car though. We've got the 68 Shelby GT500. Very nice with the gold wheels there. Got the blue Pixel Shaker. And we've got the Jaguar XJ220. That's the recolor. Still very nice car. Robo Race Car. I only just found out that this Robo Race Car is, it's a fantasy model, but Robo Racing is real, like autonomous racing cars. You should go check it out. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I should open that one up. The 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Brand new casting for 2020. This was recently in one of our Hot Wheels Garage news updates. Take a look. Very nice car. Again, this is probably not one that's going to work on the track, but it is pretty cool in that Baja Blazers series. We've got the 68 Chevy Nova. Very nice looking car. The Honda S2000. This one is much better than the one I pulled out of my previous case. The previous one had some sort of blurring on my tampos, so that's nice to get one that's proper. The 91 GMC Cyclone, beautiful car. Now this is one that's pretty cool. The Porsche 911 GTS R3. Take a look. It's the Tanner Fox edition. Very, very nice car. Yeah, pretty cool. And the matte black finish on this one is beautiful. I wasn't thinking the matte black would be very nice, but I think it's with that sort of yellowy gold work on the sides here, it sort of goes really well. Very cool car. We got another one of those 2020 Jeep Gladiators, another McLaren P1, and we have a Power Pistons. Hang on. What? It's the treasure hunt for the case. I didn't even realize this was a treasure hunt car, but that's pretty cool. Power Pistons is the treasure hunt for the 2020 J case. So how cool is that? We've got the regular treasure hunt. We've got the ID chase car. Oh my gosh. Definitely not going to pull the Super out of this case, but it would be awesome if we did. This one is pretty cool. The Humvee in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. It's got the letter N on top, but look at it. Pretty nice. Yeah, that's cool. Now the 98 Honda Prelude. Take a look. Brand new for 2020. Very nice car. Very, very nice. And the regular Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So where was my treasure hunt? Super treasure hunt over here. Let's take a look at the comparison there. Yeah, very nice. Two very, very nice cars. You can see the artwork is different. The wheels are different. The coloring is different. Very, very nice. Smash that big thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now we're on to the second layer of the case. If we can get this box out. What do we got? The 68 Dodge Dart. Got another Jaguar XJ220. And we got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Boss LT. We've got another Skate Grom. I don't even know how to say that one. The custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. Very nice. And we've got the Cloak and Dagger. Pulled this out of the previous case. It's a really nice casting this time. That artwork on this one is pretty cool. Looks really nice. Total Disposal. The 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Not sure if this is going to be that popular. I'm not sure why. Sometimes the Nova Wagon Gasser is very, very popular. Other times it's sort of no one talks about it, but it's very nice this time. Look at the color on it. Nice chrome interior. Yeah, definitely one to have in the collection. And this is a brand new casting for 2020. Eric Steinrod. I don't know how to say that, but it is a pretty cool looking car. It is a fantasy car. It's a pretty wide looking car. I wonder how that's going to go in a booster. But yeah, it looks really nice, and I like the color of it as well. Pretty cool. I wonder if the 52 has a meaning. Might have to research that and find out. Nerve Hammer. It's a carry over. Got the Manga Tuner here. Pretty, now this is sort of the coloring you would expect on this tuned car. It's a bit out there. So yeah, not too bad. The 68 Chevy Nova again. The Bone Shaker. BMW K1300R. The Volvo 850 Estate recolor. Very nice. So let's just get the Bone Shakers back here together. I mean, you can hardly tell them apart. Obviously, the bottom one does have nicer paintwork. It is Spectraflame or Metal Flake paintwork. But the wheels are the same. Tampos are basically the same. You can see here, though, the Hot Wheels symbol here versus the Hot Wheels symbol here is slightly different. And obviously, the bottom of the cars are different. We have the ID chip in there and just a regular base here on this Bone Shaker. Very nice. Always nice to add bone shakers to the collection. A modern classic. Okay, another Nerve Hammer. Got that Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. A 70 Dodge Wagon. Total Disposal. The Erikstein Rod. And another 68 Dodge Darts. This is good. This is good. 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible, new for 2020 from the previous case. We will see this in blue very soon. Another Datsun Bluebird wagon, and I say another because there was only one in the previous case, and so far only one in this case, so very lucky to grab a second one of those. And we've got the Party Wagon. Pretty cool. Don't tell me this is another bat plane. Another bat plane. The Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid, that's okay, I don't mind having another. And the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Oh my gosh, what is this? Rockin' Santa sled, how many do we need? The 98 Honda Prelude again, that's fine, don't mind a few of those. And the Volvo 850 Estate. Another Party Wagon. Another Hot Wheels Formula Solar and High Beam. Last three cars to wrap up the case. Hot Wheels Formula Solar, the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible, and the Custom Otto from Muscle Mania. Been looking forward to this one, and you know what, I'm not unhappy that it's the last one to pull from the case. It's a pretty cool car to finish the case off on, and I do like that purple color. Let me know what you think of the Custom Otto in the comments below. Smash that big thumbs up. Now don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew, and now let's check out my picks of the case. Okay, so my favorite cars out of this case, we'll start with that Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, just in the regular mainline there. Very, very nice car. Of course, the treasure hunt for the case, Power Pistons, very happy to get that one. And of course, super happy to get the Hot Wheels ID Chase Bone Shaker for the case. That is super awesome. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is another pretty cool car for the case. That Tanner Fox crossover, that's nice. And this new casting here, the Erikstein rod, oh, just throwing it down there. The Erikstein rod, that's a pretty cool new casting. All right, just pick a few more. Definitely have to shout out to the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Beautiful looking car. The 57 Plymouth Fury, definitely a highlight of this case, as well as the Custom Otto. So that was the last car we pulled from the case, and you know, it's a pretty cool looking car. All right, if you haven't already, smash that big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.